Rupee weakness also continuing to tumble against the US dollar, falls 4 paise against the dollar in early trade. Well, those are the latest details coming in at this point in time. Rupee continuing to spiral at this point and weakening, falling 4 paise versus the US dollar. Meanwhile, the markets opening on a weak note today after we saw a strong rally yesterday as far as both the Nifty and Sensex are concerned. Remember, last few weeks has been extremely volatile for the stock markets, and that volatility, as per experts, is likely to continue even going forward. Multiple trigger points that have caused this volatility and is going to continue going forward as well. So those are the latest details coming in as far as the stock markets as well as the rupee are concerned. But let's bring in some more perspective. Jayesh is joining us for more at this point in time. Jayesh, if you can take us through what the markets are doing at this point in time. Rupee also opening on a weak note.
That's right. If you have a look at the global markets overnight, we had a positive handover coming in from Wall Street. However, the Asian markets have not taken that too well. That is primarily because the US markets were shut on holiday on Monday itself, and yesterday we had a big move across Asian markets. So US markets probably caught up with what rest of Asia did in yesterday's trading session, and today being a completely different day, there has been some bit of weakness that we are spotting in the markets. It also goes on to show that the short covering rally that we saw yesterday, which was in excess of about 300 to 400 points on the Nifty, that actually has fizzled out. So the Nifty has now slipped below 15,500, and the Nifty Bank also slipping below the 33,000 mark. Remember that this pushes the correction to about 18% from its all-time high level, and there has been weakness all across because the broader market underperformance, which is the Nifty small and the mid-cap space, that is where the retail participation takes place, that also once again has resumed its downward trend.
All right, Jayesh, thank you so much for getting us all of those details.